Within our bodies, a silent, powerful process is constantly at work, a fundamental mechanism that holds the key to our health and longevity. It's a process that has been shaping life for over 1 billion years, yet we've only recently begun to understand its profound importance. This process is called autophagy, and learning how to harness its power could be one of the most significant steps you take for your well-being. Today, we delve into the science of autophagy, exploring what it is, how it benefits us, and how we can activate it to unlock a healthier, more resilient version of ourselves. At its core, autophagy is your body's innate cellular recycling system. The word itself comes from the Greek auto, meaning self, and phagon, meaning to eat. So it literally translates to self-eating. While this might sound alarming, it's a crucial and beneficial process of cellular housekeeping. Think of it as a quality control program for your cells. Over time, cellular components like proteins and organelles can become damaged, dysfunctional, or simply old. Autophagy identifies these worn-out parts, engulfs them in a specialized membrane called an autophagosome, and transports them to the cell's recycling plant, the lysosome. Here they are broken down into their basic building blocks, such as amino acids, which the cell can then reuse to build new components or convert into energy. It's the ultimate form of sustainable living, happening at a microscopic level. The benefits of this cellular cleanup are vast and impact nearly every aspect of our health. One of the most celebrated advantages is its role in anti-aging. By clearing out cellular debris that contributes to aging, autophagy helps maintain youthful function at the cellular level, which can translate to healthier skin, better organ function, and increased vitality. Furthermore, it's a powerful force in disease prevention. Many neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, are linked to the accumulation of misfolded proteins in the brain. Autophagy helps clear these toxic buildups, protecting brain health. It also plays a role in defending against infections and even cancer, by removing damaged cells before they can turn malignant. On a daily basis, optimized autophagy can lead to a noticeable boost in energy, as your cells become more efficient at producing and utilizing fuel. So how can you tell if this powerful process is active in your body? While measuring it directly requires sophisticated lab tests, there are several practical signs and simplified markers that can suggest your body is in a state of heightened autophagy. One of the most common indicators is a state of ketosis, which often occurs during fasting. When your body starts producing ketones for fuel, it's a strong signal that cellular stress is triggering autophagy. Other signs can include reduced inflammation, improved mental clarity and focus, and a feeling of stable, sustained energy, rather than a reliance on sugar-fueled peaks and crashes. Some people even notice improved skin health and a subtle reduction in appetite as their body becomes more efficient at using its internal resources. Fortunately, we have significant control over stimulating this process through our lifestyle choices. The most potent and well-researched method for inducing autophagy is intermittent fasting or caloric restriction. When you abstain from food for a period, your cells experience a mild beneficial stress. With no external source of energy, they are forced to look inward, ramping up the recycling of old components to generate fuel and build new structures. A fasting window of 16 hours or more is generally considered effective for this purpose. Another powerful activator is exercise. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, and endurance exercise in particular, create a demand for energy and cellular repair that signals the body to initiate autophagy, especially in muscle tissues. Combining these strategies can create a powerful synergistic effect. As we've seen, autophagy is not just a scientific curiosity, it is a fundamental pillar of our health, a built-in system for rejuvenation and defense. By understanding its mechanisms and embracing lifestyle interventions like fasting and exercise, we can actively support this process. It represents a shift from simply treating symptoms to proactively enhancing our body's own incredible ability to heal and maintain itself. Taking steps to promote autophagy is an investment in your long-term health and well-being, paving the way for a more vibrant and resilient life.